Do you often find yourself feeling overwhelmed or stressed out in your day-to-day life? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're going to talk about a game changer that can help you take control and restore balance. Setting healthy boundaries. Setting boundaries is crucial for your overall well-being. It's about establishing limits and guidelines for yourself and others to create a healthier and happier life. By setting boundaries, you can protect your time, energy, and emotions from being drained by external demands. Setting healthy boundaries is a crucial aspect of taking control of your life. Boundaries are guidelines or limits that define acceptable behavior, help protect our well-being, and ensure our interactions with others are respectful and balanced. This comprehensive guide will delve into the importance of setting healthy boundaries, provide practical steps for establishing them, and offer strategies for maintaining these boundaries in various aspects of your life. Understanding boundaries. What are healthy boundaries? Healthy boundaries are the limits we set with ourselves and others that promote healthy relationships, personal well-being, and self-respect. They help us define our physical, emotional, and mental limits and communicate our needs and expectations clearly. Types of boundaries. Physical boundaries relate to personal space and physical touch. Emotional boundaries involve separating your emotions and responsibilities from others. Mental boundaries concern your thoughts, values, and opinions. Time boundaries deal with how you manage your time and commitments. Material boundaries pertain to your possessions and how you share them. Relationship boundaries define the roles and expectations in your relationships. The importance of setting healthy boundaries. Promotes self-respect. Boundaries help you value your own needs and desires. Reduces stress. Clear boundaries prevent you from overcommitting and feeling overwhelmed. Enhances relationships. Boundaries ensure mutual respect and understanding in relationships. Improves mental health. Healthy boundaries protect your emotional and mental well-being. Encourages personal growth. Boundaries help you focus on your goals and priorities. Steps to set healthy boundaries. 1. Self-reflection. Before setting boundaries, it's essential to understand your own needs, values, and limits. Reflect on the following questions. What makes you feel comfortable or uncomfortable? What are your values and priorities? Where do you feel overextended or taken advantage of? What do you need to feel safe and respected? 2. Identify areas needing boundaries. Consider different areas of your life where boundaries may be necessary. Personal relationships, family, friends, and romantic partners. Work environment, colleagues, supervisors, and work hours. Social interactions, social media, community involvement, and social events. Personal time, hobbies, self-care, and relaxation. 3. Define your boundaries clearly. Clearly define what your boundaries are. Be specific about what is acceptable and what is not. Physical boundaries. I need personal space when I'm upset. Emotional boundaries. I am not responsible for managing others' emotions. Time boundaries. I cannot work past 6 p.m. on weekdays. Material boundaries. I'm not comfortable lending my car to others. 4. Communicate your boundaries effectively. Communicate your boundaries to others. Use assertive yet respectful language. Use I statements. I feel overwhelmed when. Be direct. I need you to respect my time by. Stay calm. Avoid anger or aggression when communicating boundaries. 5. Enforce and maintain boundaries. Consistently enforce your boundaries and take action when they are violated. Be firm. Stick to your boundaries without feeling guilty. Reiterate boundaries. Remind others of your boundaries when necessary. Take action. Implement consequences if boundaries are repeatedly ignored. 6. Practice self-care. Regularly engage in self-care activities to support your well-being. Physical self-care. Exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate sleep. Emotional self-care. Journaling, therapy, and mindfulness practices. Mental self-care. Reading, learning new skills, and mental relaxation. 7. Seek support. Don't hesitate to seek support from trusted friends, family, or professionals. Talk to supportive individuals about your boundaries. Seek advice from a therapist or counselor. Join support groups with others who are working on setting boundaries. Maintaining healthy boundaries in different areas of life. Personal relationships, family. Set clear expectations. Define how often you can visit or communicate. Communicate needs. Let family members know your limits. regarding time and emotional support. Respect differences. Understand that each family member has their own boundaries. Friends, be honest. Share your needs and limits with friends openly. Balance give and take. Ensure the friendship is mutually supportive. Respect time. Communicate your availability and respect each other's time. Romantic partners. Discuss boundaries early. Talk about boundaries at the beginning of the relationship. Respect autonomy. Allow each other personal space and time. Communicate openly. Regularly check in and discuss boundaries as the relationship evolves. Work environment. Set work hours. Clearly define your work hours and stick to them. Communicate workload limits. Let your supervisor and colleagues know when you are at capacity. Respect personal time. Avoid checking work emails or messages during personal time. Social interactions. Limit social media. Set boundaries for your social media usage to avoid burnout. Choose engagements. Only attend social events that you feel comfortable with. Respect personal space. Communicate your comfort levels in social settings. Personal time. Prioritize self-care. Schedule regular self-care activities. Protect downtime. Ensure you have time to relax and unwind. Manage commitments. Be selective about how you spend your time and energy. Overcoming challenges and setting boundaries. Guilt and fear. Acknowledge your feelings. Understand that guilt and fear are normal, but shouldn't dictate your actions. Focus on benefits. Remind yourself of the positive outcomes of setting boundaries. Seek support. Talk to supportive friends or a therapist about your feelings. Resistance from others. Stay firm. Consistently enforce your boundaries, even if others resist. Explain your reasons. Help others understand why your boundaries are important. Use empathy. Recognize that change can be difficult for others and show empathy. Inconsistent enforcement. Reflect on reasons. Identify why you struggle to enforce your boundaries. Revisit your priorities. Remind yourself of the importance of your boundaries. Seek accountability. Ask a trusted friend or mentor to help you stay accountable. Benefits of setting healthy boundaries. Improved relationships. Healthy boundaries lead to more respectful, understanding, and supportive relationships. They help prevent resentment and foster mutual respect. Increased self-esteem. Setting boundaries reinforces your self-worth and self-respect. It shows that you value your needs and are willing to protect them. Better mental health. Clear boundaries reduce stress, anxiety, and burnout. They help you manage your time and energy more effectively, leading to better overall mental health. Enhanced productivity boundaries help you focus on your priorities and avoid overcommitment. This leads to increased productivity and efficiency. Greater autonomy. Healthy boundaries allow you to take control of your life and make decisions that align with your values and goals. They help you live more authentically and true to yourself. Practical tips for maintaining boundaries regularly. Review your boundaries. Reflect periodically. Take time to reflect on your boundaries and adjust them as needed. Stay flexible. Understand that boundaries may need to change as circumstances change. Seek feedback. Ask for feedback from trusted individuals on how your boundaries are working. Practice assertiveness. Be clear and direct. Communicate your boundaries confidently and assertively. Use I statements. Focus on your needs and feelings rather than blaming others. Stay calm. Maintain a calm and composed demeanor when discussing boundaries. Develop coping strategies. Mindfulness. Practice mindfulness to stay present and reduce stress. Relaxation techniques. Use relaxation techniques such as deep breathing and meditation. Healthy outlets. Find healthy outlets for stress, such as exercise, hobbies, and socializing. Educate others. Share your boundaries. Let others know about your boundaries and why they are important. Lead by example. Model healthy boundary-setting behavior for others. Encourage mutual respect. Foster an environment where everyone's boundaries are respected. In conclusion, setting healthy boundaries is a vital step in taking control of your life. It allows you to protect your well-being, foster respectful relationships, and achieve your personal and professional goals. By understanding the importance of boundaries, identifying your needs, and consistently enforcing your limits, you can create a balanced and fulfilling life. Remember, setting boundaries is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that requires self-reflection, communication, and commitment. Start setting your boundaries today and experience the transformative power of taking control of your life. I want to hear from you. Share your experiences with setting boundaries in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal growth and empowerment. Together, we can create a community of individuals who are unapologetic about taking control of their lives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.